Hey, it's Jess again with the Marathon Public Library, and today we are going to be continuing our Halloween celebration with some more decorations. Now, I'm sure you have some glass jars around your house, and if you do, keep on watching and you can see how we made this spooky guy. Okay, so first we're going to need a glass jar. You can use a pickle, jam, cheese whiz jar, or something like I did, an empty candle glass. So then I used some paint. I used brown, orange, white, and of course black. And then you need some paintbrushes. Then to draw on the face, I used a pencil and a Sharpie. Then everything next is optional. You can go to the dollar store, and I found all these things. I found wire to make a handle for the jack-o'-lantern, and then I found, just some accent threads to put on. This one looks like a vine, so I thought that was really cool. You're going to need needle nose pliers if you do the handles. And yeah, I found everything at the dollar store, and if you can't make a run into White Court, just give the library a call and we'll have a craft bag for you. Okay, camera magic. Okay, so now that it's all dry, I'm going to take a smaller paintbrush and I mixed some of the orange with white. I'm just going to put a couple stripes here and there. You don't have to do this part if you don't want to. Then I'm going to go in with some brown and do the same thing, just to give it some texture. Then I'm going to take some more orange and go in with my big brush. And go really gentle over the different colors. There we go. I'm just gonna have some extra around the top. Then I'm just gonna go and blow dry it again. Okay, so what we're gonna want to do now is draw out our face. Okay, so then what I would do is I would outline it in a black Sharpie, because I'm not very good at doing small. Oh, I don't have a really small paintbrush either. So this will just give me a nice outline. If you want, you could just color it in with a Sharpie and not use any black paint at all. Or you could leave it, like tape out the face that you want before you paint so the candle glows through it if you want to do it that way. Okay, so now I'm going to get my smallest black paintbrush, or smallest paintbrush, and fill these guys in. Okay, now we're gonna let them dry. Okay, so next we're going to add the handle. So what I did is I've already cut out the handle part. So I'm going to hold this here. I've already cut out some to wrap around it. So this might be kind of hard to show. I'm going to hold it at the sides. And then I'm going to wrap this around. And I want this guy to kind of meet in the back. I'm going to take these two and I'm going to twist them around each other. There's probably another way to do this. Going to clip off, make it even. I'm going to take these guys. I'm going to take these guys and I'm just going to tighten it. Or not. So I made my face a little too high, so it's covering it. And I just took off some paint. That's fine because I can touch it up when I'm done. So for the sides, I'm just going to do almost the same thing. If you're going to hang this from a tree or somewhere, you might want to do it a little bit more secure. Maybe add some glue or get some better wire. Some of my paint's coming off because I didn't wait long enough for it to dry, but you can just touch it up. Okay, so now I'm going to put the lid on. Yeah, see, my paint's coming off, but that's okay. I'm just going to fix it. So now I got my handle. And what I wanted to do is you could wrap some of this around here if you wanted, but since I made my face so high, I'm not going to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a side. I think I like this one. And I'm going to add that there. I'm going to take some of the vine, clip it off. I'm going to make a lot of noise. So I'm going to get these guys tied together. And I'm going to cut these to the kind of length I want. They don't have to be all the same size or length. I think the thread I could kind of, if you wanted to work with it, you could curl it. So there you go. There's our pumpkin. Thanks for joining us again, and as always, we would love to see what you've created, so why not tag us or in the comments below, leave a picture. Next week, we're going to have a special guest star, Tanner, and he's going to be going over some simple tricks for you to do. Then, after you've practiced, you can come on down to the library and show us your costume or do one of the treats, or one of the tricks, and then we will give you a treat bag. We'll see you then. Bye!